Hello. In this video, we'll go over how to use included units in Amberflo and how those differ from prepaid credits. To start, we'll go over this example from the Algolia pricing plan. You can see that with their free tier, they include 10,000 search and 10,000 recommend requests along with 10,000 records each month. And then after using up all of those 10,000 units, it falls into block pricing, which you can see is $1 per 1,000 requests for search and 60 cents per 1,000 requests for recommend. So in Amberflo, we model this by creating separate product items for search requests and recommend requests. And then for each, the monthly usage is metered. And then we would just use those first 10,000 events per product item as included units, and they will appear on the invoice with a $0 charge. So you can see that would lead to scenarios where if the customer's usage remains below those 10,000 free units, then they could be using the product with full functionality without paying any money. So the invoice amount would always stay at $0. So we can show you this in Amberflo now. We'll go into pricing plans. We'll take a look at the Algolia pricing plan. And then going into one of these product items, we'll just take a look at the search request for this example. You can see we have the name, the block pricing is recreated at $1 per 1,000 just as, and then for those free units, we include the 10,000 here. So the usage is metered and the first 10,000 are just not going to have the rate applied to them. So this is a little bit different from prepaid credits, whereas prepaid credits are applied at the customer level and then applied to the entire invoice. So in that case, usage would be metered and charged as normal, and then prepaid credits would be applied to that balance. So in both cases, they can be manipulated to give free usage to a customer, but it's up to you depending on your business model and the engagement model you choose for your customers.